Much to our dismay, as Delhi flouted the cracker ban, the air quality dipped dramatically. Delhi's AQI is actually very poor. It's also severe in some areas. Meanwhile, the PM 2.5 pollutant in Delhi is 60 times above the safe limit in some areas.
However, that's not borne out by more credible data agencies, which, for example, show that the deadly pollutant PM 2.5 level currently is almost 400 micrograms per cubic meter, close to where we are at the moment, Parmeshwar, in fact, in South Delhi. That's 80 times the World Health Organization's safe limit of 5 micrograms. That's the annual average. Stubble burning from Punjab is also rising, and that has also impacted the pollution in the national capital. And, of course, it's the firecrackers that have been the major contributors. Our colleague Priyanshi joins us from India Gate in the national capital. Priyanshi, take us through what are the pollution levels that are coming in early this morning, the morning after Diwali.
Well, Divya, the pollution level, the AQI level has been above 300 since the morning, and right now we're at the Mausam Vibhag, and you can see the air quality index here on Lodi Road. The PM 2.5 level is 304. The PM 10 level is 285. If we talk about the safe levels, as you can see, PM 2.5 right now is at 304 on Lodi Road, whereas the safe level is around 15. The WHO safe limit for a day is 15. So that's close to 20 times above the safe limit is what the PM 2.5 level is at Lodi Road. But yesterday during Diwali, the PM 2.5 levels even peaked to 900 in some areas, which is close to 60 times above the safe limit of the World Health Organization. So it's very toxic air that all of us are breathing right now. In fact, on Diwali, the AQI level turned from poor to very poor. On Diwali Eve, the AQI level was in the poor category. On Diwali day, it turned to the very poor category. This means that it is impacting people with existing diseases. In some areas, the AQI level was also in severe category, which means that it's also impacting people who are healthy. Now, let's talk about the previous few years' comparisons, because remember, the Delhi government has banned firecrackers, and they've said we've taken a range of, they also had a 10-point winter action plan to control pollution. So has it really come down? Well, for the last 4 years, the AQI level, or the pollution level, if we call it, for this year has been the lowest in the last 4 years. If we talk about the pollution level on Diwali day yesterday, as per the Central Pollution Control Board's data, the AQI was 312, which is the lowest in the last 4 years. The last time the AQI was lower than this was in the year 2018, when it was 281. So it is the lowest in 4 years, but it's important to remember that it's still a way to go to pat our backs, because it's still in the very poor category. That means it's impacting all of us. Now, if we talk about the causes, usually the politics goes around stubble burning, and politicians blame stubble burning for the pollution in the national capital. But today, as we can see, that it's better in the last 4 years, and one of the reasons for that could be the better wind conditions as well. Today morning, there's been a lot of wind in Delhi, so that it could also be helping the pollution levels. Now, if we talk about the causes, stubble burning, as per SAFAR, which is a Ministry of Earth Sciences initiative, says that stubble burning only contributes 2 to 3% to Delhi's air pollution. Other than that, a central government affidavit in the Supreme Court says that vehicular pollution, the dust, the industries are the major contributors to Delhi's air pollution. So these are the major contributors and not stubble burning. And SAFAR said that firecrackers will only add 25% to Delhi's air pollution. So firecrackers and the stubble burning only put more factors and add to the problem that already exists because of vehicles, because of industries, and the dust in Delhi. Now, why does the problem only get worse during winters and during this time every year around Diwali? That's because of the rising temperatures, the pollution gets trapped in the atmosphere, and that is why we can see a layer of thick smog and pollution in the national capital. But this time, the PM 2.5, as you said, as we just saw, is above 300. That is 20 times over the safe limit by the WHO, and it's still in very poor category.